All right, we're back out at Rancho on this nice, fine, rainy day. We got storms coming in. Still a party out here. All right, we're in here for about 2 minutes, and we pull the corner on main grade. We got a super duty. Let's get it. Oh, other dude's already on it in the Jeep. Who's that? Oh, it's Pete. Yeah, I knew this poncho was gonna come in handy like 4 months ago when I bought it. Good old Volcom going out of business, $5, but he's about to make his first pull real quick. Love it. Good old Rhino rope for the win. Let's go. Oh, the trailer's there. What the heck? It's freaking raining out here, guys. All right, well, they're gonna get the trailer out same way. He said there was a buggy stuck down here, so I'm gonna go see if it's still stuck. All right, these holes are getting deep. I just went into one that was about tire deep, and now the bypasses are getting all chewed up. Side by side going through. It's definitely gonna be a little rowdy out here. This is the first time I've seen triple dip full. It's not quite full, but almost. I got 3 big humps right here. Let's hit it. Ready? Drop it. Come out. Oh, he's in there. We got one, son. Getting towed back to camp. Oh, man. Fun times, though. These are the trips that you never forget. This guy's trying to get out of here. The hurricane's coming. She's coming down, boys. We're gonna make our way to washout back here. She's in there. Got a little quad right over here. We'll take this side. See if it's as deep. Just think about these holes. Oh. We're good. All right, we're good. We're out. They just drop down. You can go 3 feet off to the right and be in 6 inches of water. Or if you're 3 foot to the left, it's like 4 foot deep. And they change all the time. Damn, dude, it's just plowing into them. But yeah, but they're starting to become like impassable to where you're gonna have to go through them. And this is where we're gonna get all scraped up. No bueno. Well, we were cruising and seen the buddy. His back end's locked up, so we're just gonna hook up that little 10-foot rope and drag this thing back to the front. They had another buggy pulling on it, but it's not good for the belts, man. That thing smokes the belts when they're locked up and dragging. So the Jeep, you know, it's not gonna be an issue with this thing. All right, we're pulling right now. He's just straight locked up, dragging that freaking tire. And I definitely can feel some resistance on the Jeep. Whenever I'm pulling, I got this thing in 4 low. And yeah, she's a little heavy back there for sure. So I'll do it for a couple minutes, then we might stop, let the Jeep cool down. I'm sure it'll get hot after a little bit. But she's doing it. She's doing it. Oh man, we're barely moving here. We're dragging big time, and my radios aren't freaking working. But what?
Your screen was glitching.
Oh yeah, was it?
Yeah. Oh my
Might
God.
be a loose connection or something in there. We were bouncing there for a second. I have no communication with him right now. My radios aren't freaking working for some reason. And you know, I can't hear anything. It's freaking pouring down raining out here. I wish I had a GoPro in the back. I didn't bring him. Damn, we got this guy. His whole bike is in there. That's bad. I don't know. I'm hoping I just don't drop into a fat hole over here like that. Oh my God. Oh my God, she's getting bad. And yeah, we gotta finagle him through these trees now. This is turning into a mess. All right, we might stop and winch these guys out real quick. Okay, well, update. We were dragging it, and all four tires like locked up. So we got out to mess with it, and then like the back end just kind of broke. We were trying to reverse it, and it sounded like it really just crunched the gears. And now it's rolling free, so it's kind of better. I mean, once it's broke, it's broke. You're gonna have to do the same thing to it, regardless if it's missing one tooth or 10. But he's moving under his own power, just dragging the rear, rolling the rear. Damn, there it goes. No, it's just dragging one left one now. Hey, it's only the driver side rear. That's kind of better news, actually, so I'll probably hook back up to him and pull him. All right, we got some subs over here. Yo, we're in the middle of this one. Right here, we're getting this one. All right, he's back on the rope. We got one tire locked up, dragging now. Yeah, we got Ron. Hey, dude, I was just moving side by side too, but Paul's got it. It's turning into a hot mess out here. Yo, what's up, dude? Oh, Jesus. We got a police escort now. We're gonna get out of here. Yeah, once again, big shout out to Stinger. If you guys need a radio for your Jeep or Dodge, or I think they make a ton of different radios, but I can sit here and monitor all my temps and gauges. It tells me everything I need to know. I do that a lot on these long cross-country trips and towing big, heavy vehicles like this for an extended time. But we're working our way to the front, almost back to triple dip. But it's turning into a freaking little river out here. We're good. What's up, brother? Good to see you, dude. Bro, it's wet out here this time. It is wet. Buddy's got a locked up hose. Yeah, just dragging it. Alright, brother. Good seeing you. Later, bro. Alright, as we're pulling out him, we just dropped him off back at camp, and then we come over here, and there's this old Dodge with an old Yoder stuck on it. I don't know if this guy's gonna try and pull with his trailer on. We'll see. We'll jump in if we got to. It's right around the back of that little trailer part, though. That's gonna end up bending. It's a heavy truck to put a lot of weight on that little tiny bar right there. She's stuck too now? No, that's four-wheel drive. Let's see if she'll go. She's going. Let's go. Hey. That thing sounds good. We got the Rancho train going right now, dude. That Chevy's putting in work, dude. Pulling 2 trucks and 2 trailers. All right, we got the train going out over here, and then I look, and then this guy's stuck. He's got a trailer. Oh, yeah, he's in there. Good job, dude. That's a good one. We'll get him out real quick. All right, we got this one hooked up. We went right to the control arm down here. It's got some big beefy ones. Let's wrap a tree saver around that. Soft shackle back to my hitch shackle. 30-foot rope, so I should be down here by the time it engages. Dude, she just walked it out. That wasn't nothing. All right, little tip for some beginners. We're always pulling in 4 low like that, but now I got to turn around and head out. So I disengage 4-wheel drive, go back to 2-wheel drive so I can make a 180 sharp turn without hobbling the front tires everywhere and binding up the gearing. See, the rain comes in hard and everybody's like, it's Rancho time for sure. We've been waiting all year for some nasty mud out here. It's been pretty dry for a few months now, so she's getting back to normal, but it's getting stacked up. The entry is like wild. We got guys over here just shooting 100 rounds. Too close to camp. Don't do that if you come here. Go to the back and shoot, not up front. Yeah, they're just standing out there just blasting into the woods. All right, we got the Frontier stuck over here. Oh, there's Nick. Nick already did.
Might as well just stay on front end duty.
It's like Iraq over here, bro. They got a gun battle going.
Last night it was crazy. A tire swing. They had a arsenal out.
Damn. All right, we got the Frontier hooked up. Same deal. Tree saver around the control arm. A lot of times I like the axle straps, but my trip in Padre Island, I went through a couple of them after doing like 100 pulls, so I haven't restocked yet, but tree savers work just as well, just not as skinny. I think we have a gun battle going over here, these guys versus those guys, but this should be fairly easy. All right, back in 4 low, nice and easy. I hope he got it connected to the right spot. You don't even feel it on the Jeep. And a lot of people, they'll just like back up and send it. For me, I'm gonna go as easy as possible. Like, I'm gonna put out the minimal amount of effort it takes. I'll never just bump it first try. A lot of times you can just pull it out super easy. There's no point in risking breaking something. All right, we got the F-150 with a chain on the back of it. Shoo, buddy. You good? Hey, they got it though, they got it. Oh, we're still in 2-wheel drive over here. I was looking to see if this guy's stuck. I don't think he is, but he does have some Rhino wheel chocks on the front of that thing. Yes, sir. Let's go. It's getting wild out here. Then you got the sport quad guys. Let me just do 50 miles an hour through everybody. But we'll just keep making our rounds. Dude, my boy's hammered over here. Can't even get in the truck. Don't fall, bro. Don't fall. Oh, God. He's barely making it. He's holding on. He's holding on. We got this second try. There it is. My dude has the freaking 3-year-old out here at Rancho. That kid's a youngin', dude.
That's cute.
Yeah, I mean, I wish I grew up riding quads, but Rancho's a little sketch for that. All right, we just drugged this one all around here, got it lined up. We got another sub. Then we're gonna winch it out, run it off of this, and get it up on the trailer. The belt's busted. We were just talking about that. That's the weakness on these things. All right, we're going back to washout now. It stopped raining for a little bit. And we're gonna go see if the empanada guy has got his little food tent set up here. Got the XJ going in deep. What happened? He's like stuck like that. Yeah, let's go. Hey, I've been running into my subs all the time out here. That's great. We get a ton of love at Rancho.
strap. Check out the wonderful rubber strap. Well, what you heard? Everybody, sons of love.
Another cool thing about the Stinger is you can run these cameras all the time, and I like watching it as they're going through the puddles. I actually just realized my rope was dragging a second ago. So yeah, these things are pretty sweet. What is going on up front? We got, he's 4-wheel drive, he's good, don't be scared. Just don't lose the bike out the back. Well, we got the F-150 going right down the middle. All right, well, that's a wrap for this video. If you made it this far, we definitely appreciate you watching. If you want any of the Rhino USA recovery gear or tow accessories or bungee lines or any of the 100 products behind me, go to rhinousainc.com. We also have hats and shirts, even 4x4 rescue merch. You can get all that stuff, again, rhinousainc.com. But if you want stickers, any product that you buy from Rhino will come with a 5 sticker pack. If you want the 3M my stickers, 4x4 rescue stuff, we have the 3-inch versions, we have the 7-inch. These are all high quality outdoor 3M UV coated material, even the larger 20-inch window lettering. So all of that stuff is available at shop4x4rescue.com. But yeah, rhinousainc.com. Get your recovery gear. Use my discount code 4x4rescue, and we will see you next Tuesday or Wednesday.